हेलो गाइस, वेलकम। तो आज हम देखेंगे एक बेसिक लिनक्स का प्रॉम्प्ट या टर्मिनल कैसे होता है। ठीक है, लेट्स सी। आई हैव मैक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड आई हैव इंस्टॉल्ड लिनक्स ऑन इट। स्पेसिफिकली उबंटू इसमें मैंने इंस्टॉल किया है वर्चुअल बॉक्स में। एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज माय वर्चुअल बॉक्स एंड वी कैन सिंपली स्टार्ट इट. Let's see how it goes. तो बेसिकली ये वर्चुअल इंस्टॉल्ड है. It's not physically installed on my machine. Up whenever it boots, you can press escape to see what is happening behind the screen, right? So if you press escape over here, you'll see all the command line. Okay, बहुत जल्दी boot हो गया. All right, let's see. I don't remember the password here. Okay, so this is like a fresh new installed. I've not done anything on this machine. This is the first time I'm trying to log in now after installing it, and let's see what we can do on terminal. So basically this video is just a basic walkthrough, nothing much we are going to look into it. But as a beginner, what all things you can see into this, right? If you go to this menu, you can search for terminal and just launch it. This is how the terminal for Ubuntu looks like. This is the default prompt what we can see for Ubuntu. And if you try to do basic commands like ls to list the directories, and if you want to know what all options are there for ls command, you can simply type in man ls, enter. Right under this you can see this is the manual page for ls, and you can see all the options there, like all, and many options are there. You can combine this and try to get a desired output. Right, for example, we can do ls-lart. R is for recursive, T is for sort by time, newest first, and R, where is R? So okay, and you can press Q to get out of this. In the manual page you can also search. If you press backslash and or forward slash and type in what you want to search, for example like this, time, right, it will take you there. And if you press Q, you'll be out of that manual page. So basically ls and all these commands are nothing but a small Unix program which is installed in our machine, right? So we can do ls-a will give you some detailed information, right? There are some hidden files in it, hidden folders, even that is listed there. If you want to see more detailed information, you can do ls-l, long listing, right? This will list some more details about it, like what is a user, what is a group, what are the permissions, and daemons directory, right? So these are all directories. If I create a file, there it won't show you as D over there, right? And we can do ls-lart. This will be more recursive, sorted by date and time, right? If you would see some folders, hidden folders are also there, right? So let's see what is my IP, right? So in Windows what we do is ipconfig, right? It won't work here in Linux. You can install that, but by default the command is for the Linux, the tool is this ifconfig, but it won't work. right? We need to install net tools, right? So how do we do that? So apt get install, but we can do first get update, right? We don't know what is the password for sudo, right? It's a new machine though, so I don't remember what would be the password. If I type in my same password, will it work? Let's see. No. So we need to set a root password for this, right? So in order to do that, maybe we'll have to simply type in one command. Okay, so let's do this. Sudo password root. Will it work? Password for node 1. So this is for my local currently logged in user. Like for example, if you see who am I, it will show you which user is logged in, right? Who am I? You can also do this way. Sudo password root and type in your currently logged in user password. Now it says type in new password. This new password is for your root, so I'll type in POOR, backslash. Okay, it has to be a long character. They have updated this. Okay. Oh, password do not match. Okay. All right, so now currently I am still logged in with my normal account, right? Now we can switch to the root account. So root, enter, and then type in the newly set password, right? Now you see it says root. Who am I? Root. And you can simply do apt get update over here. Sorry. And then it will try to check, in the repository if there is any updates. There could be a lot of updates here, and probably it's the first time I'm booting this machine, so I don't know. Okay, it's done. So I'm pressing Ctrl L to clear the screen, right? Now let's do we wanted to install net. When we do if config, it does not show anything, right? So we need to install this, right? Apt install net tools. We can do apt-get install or apt install. Both will work. Apt-get install was the older package management command. Now this one should work, right? So it will automatically fetch the net tools from Ubuntu package repository, which is this one, and install the tool, right? It looks like it is already installed. Now if I do if config, now it works, right? Let me clear the screen. If config, now it shows what all network adapters we have, what is the IP address. This is my IP address, right? And this is the loop back IP address. If we want to print or see only one line, right, starting with inet, we can use grep command. If config pipe grep and then name it inet, so we can see inet, all these things, right? Only specific. So many commands are there. Always you can do man grep to see what it does. Grep print line that matches the pattern. It's basically like a regular expression, right? So yeah, that's all. And mostly what else you can do? You can do top command to see what all processes are running, but this is pretty, you cannot control this. Like you won't be able to search anything if I just type in anything. No, maybe we'll have to check what are this man top, what all options we have here. There's another tool which is better than this. So that is apt get install htop. Apt install htop. Sorry, my bad. Okay, now if I type in htop, you see this one is much better, and we get some options at the bottom here. We can search, for example, press function F3, and I can type in say like terminal. What is the process ID for terminal? 2552. And if I want to terminate that, I can simply do F9 and hit enter. Okay, terminal is closed. So that's the best one. I believe we can also launch terminal through Control T, but I don't know if in my Mac it will work or not. Alt Control T. Oh yeah, it works. So Alt Control T. That's one of the methods you can launch terminal. All right. And there's also a complete. This is a GUI mode, and there is also a complete terminal mode. That is, I believe, Control Shift and F2, or Control Alt F3, or F1, F2, F3. So there are multiple consoles there, and you can log in from here also, root, and then you can type in your password. Right. It's the same machine though. Uname -a, who am I, if config. So this is completely terminal, and if I want to get back, Control Alt Shift, I believe. Yeah, okay, what happened? Yeah, Control Alt N F1. And back to the GUI mode. Yeah, that's all as of now. Yeah, this is just my, just a test. First video. I'm just testing how to create videos and upload it on YouTube, trying to start my channel. Maybe I'll come up with some plan, like to study something from very basic, and just play around, and just for the beginners, students who are trying to learn. Yeah. Let me see if this one has, okay, terminal. Okay, oh yeah, it already has Python 3, so maybe we can start doing something in Python and stuff like that. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.